Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work as we completed the chapter number 2nd, that is the polynomials we already completed. Today we will start the new topic, that is the chapter number 3rd, pair of the linear equation into the two variables. So let us start it here with the introduction and then we will do the some questions also. So as you know, in the linear equation in two variables, that is the chapter in the class 9th you studied as linear equation in two variables. Into the general form we are writing, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are belongs to these are the variables, and a, b, c belongs to the any real number. Okay. Then here we are discussing about the pair. It is the chapter is now. It is the pair of the linear equation. Pair of linear equations. Right. So there are the two equations. So let us suppose here as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first one equation. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let these are the two equations. And into the previous one class, we studied about this one. Suppose here I am taking the x minus 4y is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 4y. So we are taking the sum points like as in the geometrical expression, we are taking the sum points. Let here y is called as an independent variable and x is called as a dependent. As y we are filling here 0, then this implies x makes as a also 0. If y is equal to 1, this implies x is equal to 4, 1s are 4, so this implies its value is 4. So if we are taking y is equal to 2, then this implies x value will be changed as a 8. So these are the ordered pair. When we are plotting on the coordinate axis these points, then we are getting as a straight line. So this implies always whenever we have given the any linear equation in two variable, so this implies we are getting the any one straight line. It can pass through the origin also like as this. Okay. So this type of the equation always graphically solution is as a on the geometrical expression is as a straight line. So this implies here are the also two graphical solution for these one. On the geometrical expression these are making as a straight line. So those two straight line can be on the one graph, it can be intersect to each other like as this. Okay, intersect to each other at the one point, then we are calling it as a unique solution, right? When it is not intersecting, then we can say these two lines does not have the any solution, common solution. There is no solution, common solution. So we can say there is no solution, or we can say there is a parallel lines. Okay. And similarly, one line can coincide the another one line also. All the solution for the first equation and all the solution for the second equation are the same. Then the two lines are coincide each other. If these are coincide each other, then we can say there are the infinite many solution. Both have common infinite many solutions. Okay. So like as this, let us start with the any example. Here I have written the one example. Here I have taken the two equations as x minus 2y is equal to 0 and another equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. So let us make a graphical solution of it and then see what is the condition between them. It can be unique or no solution, or the coincide infinite many solutions. So let us, here is x is equal to 2, 1. So the solution will be directly I am writing here as take one time I am taking as a, suppose here is a y is equal to 0, then this implies x is equal to also 0. Here I am taking y is equal to 1, so this implies x is equal to, here will be 2. Similarly for the other equation, here is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, or you can say here, here will be 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x and y is equal to 20 minus 3x upon 4. Like as this we can divide. So if here will be solutions. Suppose I am putting here the x is equal to 0. Okay, then this part makes as a 0. So 20 by 4 it makes as a 5. So part is 0 and 5. The solution is 0 and 5. Further one I am putting here as x is equal to 4. Suppose here I am taking x is equal to 4. So this implies 3 4s are 12. 20 minus 12 it makes as a 8. So 8 upon 4 it makes as a 2. So this is the solution. Two solutions we are getting, and then we will plot on the graphically on this. Suppose here is a 1, 2, 3 up to 4 mark we have to approach, and then here will be 1 up to 5 mark we have to approach, 2, 4 and 5. So first solution for the first one equation 0 0. So this is the solution. Second one 2 and 1. So this implies this is the solution of it. Then we will join these 2 points and extend it. So this is the first equation. As we can say, it is x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the graphically solution of the first one. So first point here 0 and 5. So this is the solution of it. And second one is 4 to 2. This one. Here is the solution. So we will join these 2 points and extend it. So these two lines are intersecting each other at the point common 1. So this is the common solution between both of them. So this point is lying on this one side also, and the other line also. This is equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, right? So this is the common solution. So we can say that by the geometrically expression we find out the common solution between them as 4 and 2. So this is the answer of the question. Okay, getting the point. Okay, let us see one more example of it, as here is a 3.1 exercise third question. Question says the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of the grapes are on the one day was found to be rupees 160. So we can see here into the solution. So let cost of 1 kg of apples is equal to rupees x, and similarly we can suppose here 1 kg of grapes is equal to rupees 1. So what is the condition? 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. So equation is according to the question we are getting here. First equation will be formed 2 times x plus 1 times y is equal to rupees 160. So this is the first one equation formed. Similarly, after a month, the cost of the 4 kg of the apples and 2 kg of the grapes is 300. So here will be 4x plus 2y is equal to rupees 300. So this is the second equation. They are saying represent the situation as the algebraically. So we are representing these equations by the algebraically, mean to say algebra as x and y combination. We are taking the equations and graphically also. So like as this same criteria, you can draw the graph of this one equations and check the answer. It can be the unique solution, no solution, or coincide, or many solutions. If you have any queries, students, then you can ask me. Otherwise, try these questions for the chapter number 3rd first exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.